Sri Sai Ram. In the last session, we have studied about third type of differential equation, which are called linear equations. How do we identify a linear equation? It has got a standard form. What is the standard form? dy by dx plus py equal to q, or dx by dy plus px equal to q. If the equations of this type, they are called linear equations. Now, in this particular equation dy by dx plus py equal to q, what are p and q? P and q are either constants or functions of x, not functions of y. Similarly, if you take the second type, in that p and q are either constants or functions of y. Okay. So, this is how we can identify a linear equation, and if you identify it is a linear equation, it has got a standard procedure. What is the procedure? Procedure is find out what is p from the equation and then find out the integration factor. What is integration factor? It is e to the power integral of p dx. Okay. So, find out the integration factor, and once you know integration factor, we write the solution. What is the solution? It is y into integration factor equal to integration of q into integration factor plus c, which is constant of integration. So, as we saw in other types of equations, we have equations in which he asks us to find out general solution, and then he also asks us to find out particular solution. So, if he says particular solution, the problem will differ in the last step. We find the value of c with the values of x and y which he gives. Okay. So, let us begin and solve some more problems on linear equations. Let us begin with this particular problem. When you look at it, it does not appear to be a linear equation. So, what do? You divide whole equation with x log x. So, what you will get in the process? You will get dy by dx plus y upon x log x equal to 2 log x upon x, and we have divided with x log x. Observe this carefully. We will try to write it in a standard form. So, this can be written as dy by dx plus py, we can say 1 upon x log x is like p into y. Here log x will get cancelled and you will get 2 by x square. Now, if you compare this with the standard equation, that is dy by dx plus py equal to q. According to definition, what did he say? He said that p and q are either constants or functions of x, both the conditions are satisfied. Okay. So, we are able to find out what is p. What is p here? 1 upon x log x. So, what is to be done by knowing this? We find out integration factor, or even before you find out integration factor, find out 1 upon x log x, that is p dx. Take log x as t, 1 upon x dx will become dt, and then you will get dt by t. As a result, you are going to get simplifying this log x. What is the integration factor we are talking about? Integration factor is defined as e to the power p dx. In other terms, e to the power integration of 1 upon x log x dx, and this integration we have already done. How much is it? Log x. So, it is e to the power log x. And we know that e and log are reciprocal operations. So, as a result you are going to get log x. Once again you check, the value of p is 1 by x log x. We want to integrate p dx. So, p is 1 by x log x dx. We take log x as t, 1 by x dx will become dt, dt by t is log t. So, as a result you will get log x, and this is so. Once you know integration factor, we can write the solution. Then the solution is y into integration factor equal to integration of q into integration factor dx. You can also write plus c, y into log x equal to integration of q. What is q here? We have identified p equal to this much, and q is nothing but 2 by x square. 2 by x square into log x dx plus c. So, now the main task is to integrate this. How do you integrate? Take log x as first function, 1 by x square as second function, and then do. So, this is first function and this is second function, put 2 outside. Let this y log x be this side only. How do you integrate product of 2 functions? Use the formula integral of u into v. What is the formula for integral of u into v? First function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second. So, apply that. 2 can be outside, and then apply the formula. First function, that is log x, integral of second. Now, these calculations you should be able to do it on your own mentally instead of doing and derivating it. So, we want to integrate x to the power minus 2. What is it? X to the power minus 1 by minus 1. X to the power minus 1 by minus 1 or minus 1 by x minus integral of d dx of first, that is 1 by x, and this is the same thing into x to the power minus 1 by minus 1 dx. Simplify. This is the answer we get. Since he has not asked particular solution, so the solution with C is called general solution. So, this itself is the answer. Okay. We will move to the next problem. Equation appears to be quite big, but still we will be able to proceed. So, what we do, whatever is with x, divide with that. Divide whole thing with x. So, what is that you will get? You will get dy by dx plus y minus x plus xy cot x by x equal to 0. Try to simplify. Dy by dx plus this is y by x, this is minus 1, maybe we can put it outside, other side 1, x by x, this will become 1, and what is that you will get? Y cot x. Observe, we have divided the whole equation with x, so x disappeared here, y by x we wrote as it is, minus x by x we wrote it as minus 1 other side. Here when we divided with x, we are left with y cot x. Now, observe this carefully. How to simplify? The method is quite simple. This can be written as dy by dx plus 1 by x into y equal to 1 minus y cot x. Compare with the standard equation. What is it? Dy by dx plus py. If it is appearing to be complicated, you can also think of the second equation. Instead of dy by dx, you can also take dx by dy also if it is required. Just we will try. if it becomes easy, we will just go ahead with this equal to 1 minus y cot x. What are the conditions if we have to proceed this way? What are the conditions? The conditions are that this dy by dx plus py should be equal to q. Just see whether conditions are satisfied. What are the conditions? P and q should be either constants or functions of x only, whereas here you find y. So, what does it mean? So, it is not satisfying this standard equation. If it is not satisfying this standard equation, you can think about other type. What is the other type of the equation? Remember, in this exercise, for the first time we are coming across such a situation. So, this equation, now let this be as it is, let us solve this from the other perspective. So, how do you do it? We will say x dy by dx is equal to, shift the whole thing this side, this can be written as x minus y minus xy cot x. This is the first thing we did. Okay. Now, we divide with x, so what it will become? It will become dy by dx equal to 1 minus, or you can say the whole thing as it is. This can be written as x minus y minus 2x, not 2, minus xy cot x by x. Okay. We have seen that when we are trying to proceed that particular manner, it is not coming into the standard form. Means what? The q is not function of x alone, y is also there. So, we are thinking to reciprocate and see. So, if you do that, what you will get? You will get dx by dy, or even before that simplify. This can be written as dy by dx equal to 1 minus y by x minus y cot x. See, this is what we got there also. Okay. We are finding it difficult to put it. So, what we were trying to do is, we are seeing whether it can be converted into dx by dy. Okay. Or you can also think this way. In fact, here itself you can think this way. What we can do? We can put both y terms together. Okay. If you put both y terms together, then automatically other will be, the q will not be having the term with y. So, what is that we are trying to do? By doing what we understood, that even if we are trying to write dx by dy, it is not coming. So, what we do is, in these two take y common. So, what you get? You get dy by dx plus 1 by x plus cot x into y equal to 1. Now, compare with the standard equation. What is the standard equation? Dy by dx plus py equal to q, which gives you p is equal to 1 by x plus cot x. We find out what is the integral of p dx. What is integral of p dx? Integral of 1 by x plus cot x. What is the answer? It is log x plus log sin x. Now, it will be easy to write integration factor. So, what is the integration factor? It is e to the power p dx. What is that we got? Integral of p dx, we got e to the power log, club them together, it can be written as x sin x. So, you get x sin x as integration factor, because e and log are reciprocal of each other. So, we got of integration factor, we can directly write the solution. Hence, the solution is y into integration factor equal to integration of q into integration factor dx plus c. Substitute the values, y into x sin x equal to integration of q, q is just 1. So, it is nothing but x sin x only. Again apply the product formula, take x as first function and sin x as second function and integrate. So, what is that you are going to get? You will get first function integral of sin x. What is integral of sin x? Minus cos x minus integral of d dx of x is 1 and this is minus cos x dx. Simplify. So, you will get minus x cos x, minus of minus will become plus, integral of cos x will be sin x plus c. This is y into x sin x. So, what is y then? Divide whole thing with x sin x. So, x and x will get cancelled, cos x by sin x will become cot x plus x sin x. If you divide with, what you are going to get? Sin x will get cancelled, you are going to get x plus c upon x sin x. This is the answer. You can write the plus terms before, okay. So, that is the answer. So, sometimes it is not very well defined what is P. After 2-3 steps you get to know what should be taken as P. Sometimes there is a confusion whether it is dy by dx type or dx by dy type. Actually, we are not done any problem based upon dx by dy type. Once we do that, you will be able to understand. We will move to the next problem. This is the problem. This problem is given in such a way that you can write it as dy by dx or you can also write it as dx by dy. Since we are not solved any problem upon dx by dy, we will solve this by the second method. So, how do you do that? You keep one term this side and shift other term other side. When you take this term other side, it can be written as y square minus x into dy. Hence, we can say that dx by dy is equal to, divide whole thing with y. What is that you are going to get? You are going to get y minus x by y. Okay. Now, get this minus x by y this side. So, what you will get? You will get dx by dy plus 1 by y into x equal to y. Compare with standard equation. What is the standard equation? Dx by dy plus px equal to q. What does it say? It says that p and q should be either constants or functions of y, and that condition is satisfied. So, how do you solve it? We will compare and say here p is equal to 1 by y and q is equal to y. Find out integral of p dy. So, integral of 1 by y dy, which is nothing but log y, which is log y. Substitute this and write what is integration factor. What is the integration factor? E to the power integral of p dy. And how much we got? The value log y, and which is equal to y. So, the integration factor is y. If it is so, write the solution. So, the solution is, remember this is the second type, not first type. If it is first type, the solution was y into integration factor. Now, it is x into integration factor, x into integration factor equal to integral of q into integration factor dy, not dx, plus c. So, substitute the values. So, x into y equal to q. What is q we got? Q is y. Integration factor is also y. So, it is y square dy plus c. So, you get x into y equal to y cube by 3 plus c. Generally, we write y in terms of x in the other equation. Here we can write x in terms of y. So, what is that you get? You can say x is equal to y square by 3 plus c by y. This is the answer. So, this is the second type of equation. What way it is different than the first one? Original one is dy by dx, whereas this is dx by dy. There p and q are either constants or functions of x. Here it is either they are constants or functions of y. You can see the value of y, q is y, value of p is 1 by y. Okay. This is how these problems are different than the first type. Okay. So, let us move to the next problem. Now onwards in the problems we have to find out particular solution. So, what is that we need to do? We will be just solving the problem the way we have done, only in the end we have to find out the value of constant of integration and substitute, that is all. So, let us take up this. You can see that it is already in the standard form. Which form? This is already in the standard form, means we can say comparing with dy by dx, you can see dy by dx is there, plus py equal to q. What is the condition? P and q are either constants or functions of x. Compare. Instead of py we have 2y tan x. So, we can say that here in this problem the value of p is 2 tan x and the value of q is sin x. So, the moment you know p and q, immediately you first find out integration factor. So, what is the integration factor? E to the power integral of p dx, e to the power integral of p. What is p? 2 tan x, let 2 be outside, it is tan x dx. What is the integral of tan x? Integral of tan x is log sec x, e to the power 2 into log sec x. So, how to simplify? Take this 2 to that side, it will become e to the power log sec square x. Log and e will get cancelled, you will get integration factor as sec square x. And once you know the integration factor, you can write the solution. So, the solution is y into integration factor equal to integration of q into integration factor dx plus c. Substitute the values, y into integration factor sec square x, integration of q, what is q here? Sin x, into sec square x dx plus c. We only have to integrate that part. Try to write in a way that you know the integral. This can be written as integral of sin x, sec square x can be written as 1 by cos square x. So, 1 cos x can be taken as denominator of sin x, which will become tan x, and another can be same sec x. 1 sec x we wrote it as 1 by cos x, sin x by cos x became tan x, so that we know the integral of this. What is the integral of this? It is nothing but sec x, because derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. So, integral of tan x sec x is sec x. So, this is y sec square x. This could be the answer if it was general solution, but he says find a particular solution. So, in order to know the value of C, substitute x equal to pi by 3, y equal to 0. Substitute these two values in this. What is y? 0. So, if this is 0, the left hand side is 0. Sec pi by 3. Sec pi by 3 is sec 60 degrees. What is sec 60 degrees? It is 2. Hence, we can say that C is equal to minus 2. Substitute this value in this general solution. Remember, this one is general solution. Substitute back value of C. So, what you will get? You will get y sec square x equal to sec x minus 2. This can be left as answer, but they insist that we should write y in terms of x. So, divide whole thing with sec square x, we can say that y is equal to 1 by sec x minus 2 by sec square x, or same thing can be written as cos x minus 2 cos square x. This is y. This is the answer. So, the particular solution differs only in the last part where we find the value of constant of integration, but otherwise the procedure is same. Okay. We will move on to the next problem. More or less it is also of the same type. There is no big difficulty comparing with standard equation. What is the standard equation? Dy by dx plus py equal to q. Compare. Here in our problem, p is equal to whatever is with y is p. So, that is minus 3 cot x, and what is q? Whatever is other side. So, the moment you know p, immediately go for finding out integral of p dx. Why? It will be useful for integration factor. Let minus 3 be outside, integration of cot x dx. What is integral of cot x dx? It is log sin x. Take this minus 3 up. So, this can be written as log sin x to the power minus 3. And now you write integration factor. What is the integration factor? It is e to the power integral p dx, which we already found out. So, it is e to the power log sin x to the power minus 3. Both will get cancelled and you will get only sin x to the power minus 3. This is the integration factor. The moment you know integration factor, you know the solution. So, what is the solution? So, the solution is y into integration factor equal to integral of q into integration factor dx plus constant of integration. So, instead of writing there, we will write here. So, it is y sin x to the power minus 3 can be written as by sin cube x equal to integral of q. What is q here? Sin 2x. Remember, sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x into integration factor, that is by sin cube x dx plus c. We want to simplify this. So, simplify it, put 2 outside, sin x and sin cube x, sin square x will be left. Cos x by sin x can be written as cot x, 1 by sin x will be left, which can be written as cosec x dx plus c. Very simple function. We have learnt derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. So, what is integral of cos x cot x? Minus cos x. So, this will become minus 2 cosec x plus c. And what you have here? Here we have y upon sine cube x. So, what you do, take sine cube x that side, you will get y. Or even before that, to make it little more simple, because it is a particular solution, here itself find out c. How to find out c? He says when x is pi by 2, y is 2, or maybe just one step we will write and then substitute. So, this will be minus 2. Remember, cosec x is 1 by sin x. So, sin cube x by sin x will become sin square x plus c sin cube x. So, substitute, put x equal to pi by 2 and y equal to 2 in this. So, what you will get? 2 equal to minus 2 sin square x. What is x? Pi by 2. What is sin pi by 2? 1. 1 square is 1. So, it is minus 2 only, plus c into, same thing here, sin pi by 2 is 1, 1 cube is 1. So, you will get c. Minus 2, if it comes this side, you will get c equal to 4. Since we have found out c, write the answer. So, what is the answer? So, y equal to minus 2 sin square x plus 4 sin cube x. This is the answer for this particular differential equation. So, what do we find? We find that the procedure is same for every problem. What is important is to identify what kind of equation it is. Is it variable separable type? Is it homogeneous type? Is it linear equation type? If it is linear equation type, whether it is dy by dx type or dx by dy type. Once you are able to identify, you can see that for all of them there is a fixed procedure. Follow that method, you get the answer. We are coming to the last part of this exercise. It is a word problem, and we have seen word problems in the previous exercises also. With homogeneous type we have seen, variable separable type also we have seen. Just try to understand the word problem, just like when you were studying in 9th standard, 10th standard, when you studied about equations. After learning the equations, toward the end, the last exercise used to be a word problem. He will give a problem in words which you have to convert into equation, and then you have to solve it. So, this is of that type. What does he say? He says find the equation of a curve passing through the point 0, 2. Passing through the point 0, 2 will be helpful to us towards the end when we find constant of integration. Till that time 0, 2 has nothing to play any role. But before that we have to form the equation. For that what he says, given, what is given? That sum of the coordinates of any point, generally coordinates we take as x, y. Sum of the coordinates means what? X plus y. Sum of the coordinates of any point on the curve, this exceeds, means is more than what? The magnitude of slope of the tangent. What is the slope of the tangent we generally take? We take it as dy by dx. How much more? By 5. So, it is like this. This is the equation. So, we have formed the equation. Bring it to standard form. How do you bring it to standard form? This can be written as dy by dx minus y equal to x minus y. It is in the standard form. How do you know it is in the standard form? Compare. Comparing with dy by dx plus py equal to q. What are the conditions? P and q should be either constants or functions of x. What is p? P is minus 1. What is q? Q is x minus 5, and they satisfy our requirements. What are our requirements? P and Q are either constants or functions of x. So, here P is a constant, Q is function of x. So, that is satisfied. What do we do next? The moment we know P, we try to find out integral of, or you can directly find out integration factor. How do you find integration factor? It is e to the power integral of P dx. E to the power integral of what is P? It is minus 1 dx is nothing but e to the power minus x. This is the integration factor. Once we know integration factor, we can directly write the solution. So, what is the solution? The formula is y into integration factor equal to integral of q into integration factor dx plus c. So, substitute there y into integration factor e to the power minus x equal to integral of q. What is q here? X minus 5 into e to the power minus x dx. So, our task right now is to integrate this. How to integrate? Separate them into 2. Means what? This can be written as x e to the power minus x dx minus 5 e to the power minus x dx. What is the advantage? Here we can apply the product formula. So, take x as first function, e to the power minus x as second function and integrate. So, integrate first function, integral of second. What is integral of e to the power minus x? It is minus e to the power minus x. It is x minus e to the power minus x. Why it is so? Because we will take minus x as t, minus dx will be equal to dt, dx will be equal to minus dt, dx will be equal to minus dt. Okay. So, first function integral of second minus integral of d dx of first. What is derivative of x? It is 1 and this is the same thing. Minus 5. What is the integral of this? The same, minus e to the power minus x. Simplify this also. This can be written as minus x e to the power minus x, minus into minus it will become plus, but when you integrate this again you will get minus, and that is plus 5 e to the power minus x. Club these two. What is that you will get? Y e to the power minus x equal to minus x e to the power minus x plus 4 e to the power minus x. One small thing we forgot, that is constant of integration. Before we proceed, find out the value of c. How to find out the value of c? He said that the curve is passing through the point 0, 2. Substitute x is 0, y is 2. So, what you will get? You will get 2 into e to the power 0 equal to, this will automatically will become 0, this will be 4 e to the power 0 plus c. Now, tell me what is c? E to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the e to the power 0 is 1. So, this became 0, but this is 4, this is 2. Get that 4 this side, you will get c equal to minus 2. 2 minus 4 will make it minus 2. Okay. Now, write the solution by substituting the value of c, and simultaneously what you can do is, you can see that all the terms have got e to the power minus x, e to the power minus x, e to the power minus x. So, divide whole thing with e to the power minus x. So, you will directly get the answer y equal to e to the power minus x vanished. Here this also vanished, so you will get minus 4, but before that you can write the plus term, that is 4 minus x. Only thing is, when you are dividing with e to the power minus x, this will become e to the power x, because it will go to the numerator. Value of c is minus 2, minus 2 e to the power x. This is the answer. This is how we solve the problems. So, I am sure you find it easy because it has got a standard method to solve the problems. There is no ambiguity anywhere. Only difficulty is to identify what kind of equation he has given in the examination. The moment you are able to identify, you will be able to solve it. Okay? So, with this we come to a close of this particular chapter called differential equations. Not only we come to a close of this chapter, in fact, we come to a close of entire calculus of second year. We began with differential calculus and today we have completed integral calculus, differential equations. So, more or less we can say the 50% of the syllabus is being done. All the other chapters together make 50% of the syllabus of 12th standard syllabus. So, please solve these problems, they are very interesting and there is no ambiguity, you can be very sure of doing it in the exam once you are able to identify. How to identify, that depends upon practice. Thank you, Sai Ram.